So the debt management office has released the savings bond subscription for the month of February, and here's everything you need to know. The bond is available for everyone that wants to go on investing in the FGN Savings Bond for February, and you can get started with as low as 5,000 naira. You can invest in the 2 years tenor or the 3 years tenor. This time around, the 2 years tenor is given 14% per annum, whereas the 3 years tenor is given about 15% per annum. And you can invest using Afri Investor 2.0. I'll be showing you how to go ahead investing on my system, where I'll be showing you everything you need to know. Now, the FGN Savings Bond is a debt instrument whereby you give money to the federal government of Nigeria, and in turn they give you some interest. For instance, if you invest 100,000 naira for the 3 years tenor, you are getting about 15,300 and something naira as interest, and that's per annum. But they are not going to pay you that 15,300 and something naira all at once. They are going to split it 4 times, and they are going to pay you quarterly. So your interest is being paid quarterly. This interest is called coupon, and they are going to pay you that coupon quarterly. Now, you're going to be receiving coupon for the next 3 years. So I'll be diving onto my screen to tell you more about this savings bond opportunity and how you can get started investing using Afri Investor 2.0. So if you're a beginner, you want to get started investing in the FGN Savings Bond, this video is for you. Let's dive onto my screen. So here's the official document that was released by the debt management office. You can see that for the 2 years tenor, it has 14.35%, and for a 3 years tenor, it has 15.35%. The offer opens on the 2nd, that's yesterday, and it's going to close on Friday, the 6th of February. So those that want to invest can go on investing before this offer closes. And you can see the settlement date 11th of February. Now, this is when the coupon will be paid: May 11th, August 11th, November 11th, February 11th. That's February 11th of next year. If you're investing for a 3 years tenor, you are getting paid this year, next year till 2029. And that's by 2029 your investments will mature, and they are now going to give you your capital. So you can see that the minimum investment is 1,000 naira. I can see it here. The maximum investment is 50 million naira. So the minimum investment is 5,000 naira. The maximum is 50 million naira. So all this it's here. It's for the FGN Savings Bond is for individuals and companies that want to go on investing. Now, if you want to invest, how do you do it? If you already have an Afri Investor account, all you have to do is to log in your wallet. And once you log in your Afri Investor account, the investment process is pretty much easy. You come down to this invest section, and you see this FGN Savings Bond here. Yeah, and you see FGN Savings Bond here. But meanwhile, make sure you must have funded your wallet. So if you've not funded your wallet, you come to this home section and you click here, fund wallet. Once you click on fund wallet, they'll give you the amount you put in, the amount you want to deposit. So any amount you want to deposit, let's say 60,000 naira, any amount you want to deposit, you deposit it there and you put next, and they'll give you the amount, the bank account you send the money to. Now check out the bank account. It can be Money Point, it can be Wema. Yeah, they'll give you the bank account. You send the money to that bank account, and you will not see it in your dashboard. So you come down to invest, and invest, and you click on FGN Savings Bond, and you now click on explore. Once you now click on explore, provided FGN Savings Bond is available, let me clear this stuff. Provided FGN Savings Bond is available, you see it here, 2 years tenor and 3 years tenor. Now let's take the 3 years tenor for instance, and once I click on it, you'll be seeing the information up there. Like I can see your coupon is being paid quarterly. See the investments, the price, and all those information. So all those information are just there. What I've just explained to you. This is when your coupon will be paid. All this info, like your first coupon will be paid on May 11th, 2020, like this year. The next one will be paid on the 8th of August 11th also, then November 11th, then next year the next coupon will be paid. So this is the 1 year period of the first coupon, the 2nd year period, and the 3rd year period for the coupon. So if you're investing, let's say you're investing 100,000 naira, and the interest rate currently is 15.356%. That's 15,356%. So in a year you will be getting at the end of your duration, your investment duration. So let me see how much one will be getting at the end of their investment duration. Where's calculator? I'm looking for calculator to see how much one can. Okay, this calculator, that's 15,000 15,005 and 15,356 times 3. So if you're investing what do you call it now, if you're investing 100,000 naira, this is your interest, 46,000 naira at the end of your 3 years tenure. So that's 46,000 naira. That's what you are taking home in total. But they are not paying you this 46,000 naira at once. They are going to break it down. They are going to pay you quarterly. So that's the total of what you are getting after investing 100,000 naira in 3 years. So if you want to invest, you just put the amount you want to invest there. If you want to invest 50,000 naira, and once you put the amount there, you just click on buy FGN Savings Bond. Myself, I will not be investing for this month. I just want to show you how to invest. I had invested for lots of months, and there are lots of FGN Savings Bond I have currently in my portfolio. So if I click up there, you see the FGN Savings Bond there. But I want to show you the ones I have. So it's pretty much easy for you to invest. You can invest for yourself, by yourself, and you don't really need any assistance. Or this video is enough for you to get on investing. But if you need more if you have more questions, you can drop it in the comment section. If you need more clarity, drop it in the comment section. I'll look forward to answering all your questions on how to invest. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video if you want more content like this. Till our next one, peace.